was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.
Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright, as you can see in the background, yeah, there's a patch of sorrel, yeah, right there. There's a patch of sorrel right there. Trust me, my viewers, looking beautiful, you know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Stick and stay to see what's happening. We are going to go down that sorrel patch to see what's going on down there, alright?
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see here, you can see 1 and 2 root here. Yeah, sorrel. Yes, my viewers, sorrel. Do you ever taste the sorrel beer before? Yeah, this is what make the sorrel beer. Alright, my viewers. Alright, we're going down inside the big patch. Alright, so stick and stay, my people, to see what's coming next. Yes, this is what we call the patch of sorrel. Alright, as you can see, my viewers and my subscribers, yeah, Mr. Livingston and otherwise Mikey and his crew, yeah, those are the guys who do this kind of work here. Alright, yeah, and as you can see over here, we have some okra lately planted. Yeah, okra lately plant, my viewers. Can't miss out. Once you're doing something like this, you can't miss out, man. Yeah, it's all about a farming revolution. And as you can see, all here is sorrel. Alright, so if you plan to drink some sorrel beer later, you stick and stay to the channel and you will get a lot of sorrel beer to drink. Look here, my viewers. Wow, this is beautiful, don't it? Yeah, man, this is beautiful. Yeah, anyone asks, tell me see it on Jamaican Farmers Hut to go and check out the channel, alright? Beautiful sorrel, yeah. Beautiful patch of sorrel we have here. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. About 15 row of sorrel here. Yes, my viewers. Beautiful. This is what we call sorrel. But as you can see, my viewers, there are no drip lines here. Yeah, so you know these sorrel get water from the rainfall. Alright? Yes, my viewers. And as you can see, right through and through, there are plantain. Yeah? Some plantain plant right through. Yeah? Let me zoom in on this one here. This is a nice, beautiful one here. So yes, by the time the sorrel reaping, yeah, the plantain just ready to shoot. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, it's all about farming. Yeah, and the owner of this field here, yes, very serious about farming. You know what I mean? She's very serious. Yes, yes, it is a she. She's very serious about farming. You know what I mean? Yes, she, as you can see, she makes sure all the works in. Beautiful. Yeah, because you know everything you plant you have to mold them after. And as you can see, they are lovely mold. Alright, so yes, my viewers and my subscribers, sorrel, yeah, the same thing that made the sorrel beer. Alright, beautiful. Yeah, this is what I want to tell person, you know, when you talk about farming is not something that you sit and play with, you know. Farming is all about you put in the work to see the progress of whatsoever you're planting, you know what I mean? Yeah, so as you can see here, lovely sorrel. And these sorrels are not that fit as yet, but getting there, nearly fit, you know what I mean? So as you can see, these sorrels are very big, but still growing. Look here. Yeah, still growing. Still growing, my viewers. So trust me, when you think about farming is a lot of work. You have to put in the work. Yeah? You have to put in the work, my people. Yeah, man. You don't play around. When it comes to farming and they say you're going to farm, you have to get serious about it. Seeing? Yes, you have to serious about it, you know? Yeah, man. Love this patch of sorrel here. Trust me. Christmas is right around the corner. And it's all about sorrel. Yeah, because every Christmas, you know, make sure to stack up my fridge with sorrel, you know. Yeah, my fridge have to fill up with sorrel. Because I love sorrel so much. And if you notice, when you're boiling these sorrel, you don't boil them into that white metal pot. You've tried to find a steel pot, yeah, to boil it in. Because if you notice, after boiling the sorrel, there is anywhere in the pot the sorrel reach, it's gonna clean it out, make it clean like whistle. So you know that the sorrel is it's a very powerful plant, you know what I mean? Yeah, just like how we clean the pot and make it shine, it is the same way it clean your inside. Yeah, trust me. And there's a lot of medicine inside the sorrel. Yeah, for the human body. So you don't know, sorrel is very good to drink. So yes, my viewers. Whoa. Here is, as you can see, look, the sorrels are very big here. Yeah? Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, my viewers. They are very big at this end here. As you can see. The way how them big, the tree is down. As you can see. Yeah? The weight of the sorrel bring the tree down. My God, I never see anyone trellis sorrel before, but it seems like these one need trellising, you know what I mean? Yeah, trust me, my viewers. Lovely patch of sorrel. Yes. And as you can see over there, where I'm coming from, there is some 1 and 2 there. Yeah, there is some 1 and 2 there, but trust me, I love here. Love here. Yes, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, share it with everyone. Let them know that Jamaican Farmers Hut is the place to go to watch video like these. You know what I mean? Yeah. So let them know. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Comment to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Yes, because if you don't do so, you're not going to see the next video. And I want to give a shout out, a big shout out to all my subscribers, all my viewers. And when it comes to this part, my subscribers, they are very special, you know what I mean? So to all my subscribers, I want to say love and appreciation to all you guys. Subscribe to my channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. To all my viewers, when it comes to my viewers now, there are people that watch the channel who don't subscribe. So to all my hand subscribers, respect, man. Much love to you all, and I wish and I hope one day you guys can just come on board and subscribe to the channel, you know what I mean? Yeah. So trust me, it's all about one platform where you see everything about farming. It's a farming revolution, my people. Yes, I. Looking good. Looking good. We have sorrel for Christmas, alright? Yeah, man, we have sorrel for Christmas, my people. Beautiful. And I have 3 plantain here. Yeah. Beautiful, my people. Yeah, man. So soon as the sorrel crop is over, it is the time for the plantain to grow. You know, and you can also plant back more planting. And as you can see in this row here, yeah, very clean. Yeah, There are no green grass inside here. All you can see is plantain, plant right through here. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. You don't know. These plantain, most of the time when you plant these plantain, you make sure you when you dig the hole, you put some ashes down inside of the hole before you plant it. And before you plant the sucker, the bottom of the sucker, you use the ashes to throw on it, throw the ashes on it. Leave it for a while, couple days before you plant, make it stale, and then you plant. And around the root, always keep around the root about 2 feet from around the trunk of the plantain clean, yeah, and always throw ashes around it. Yeah, for real, man. It's all about farming. Yeah, I'm in it too long to don't know all these things, you know. There's a lot I know about farming, and there's a lot I need to know about farming. Alright? So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay. Don't go away. It's all about sorrel. Yeah, the sorrel beer. When you go to the shop and you buy the sorrel beer, you can make your own sorrel beer. Yeah, you boil the sorrel with the ginger. But when I'm planting sorrel, I always plant a patch of ginger because ginger go with sorrel, you know what I mean? Right now at home, I have a patch of ginger right now at home. Yeah, but you know, when ginger is ready to pick, it is dry. The plant is getting dry, you know. It is drying down when the ginger is fit and ready to dig, yeah, to harvest. When it's ready to harvest, the plant is going to dry down little by little. So when you plant ginger, and after a certain time you see the plant started to dry down, all the leaves started to dry down, it is time for harvesting. Yeah, it is time for harvest, my people. So yes, I have some ginger at home, bulking out of the earth, out of the soil, but not drying down as yet. So I'm just waiting for them to start to dry so I can harvest them. You know what I mean? So Christmas is coming near. You know, most of the time you at the stove cooking and you need a little piece of spice. You know, you need a little piece of turmeric or a little piece of ginger. You can run to the kitchen side and you know, yeah, that's how my home set up. You know what I mean? So if I need a sweet pepper, I can run go outside of my kitchen and pick a sweet pepper fresh from the plantation. See? So it going, people. So everyone, when you go to the market, yeah, you don't have to buy all these vegetables. You know, you plant some at home. Because the last time I went to the market to buy vegetable, I only buy onion and garlic. And what I said to myself, I said, look, you got to plant some onion. You got to plant some garlic. Because if I have onion and garlic, I don't have to go to the market. You know what I mean? So yes, my people. So you see it on Jamaican farmers. It's all about sorrel. This is the same sorrel they use to make the sorrel beer. Alright? So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, because if you don't do so, you're not gonna get the next video coming out. Alright? So instead of to go on the channel and to search for a video, you just sit back and relax and the video comes straight to you. You know what I mean? Yes, man. It's all about farming. It's a farming revolution. So yes, my people. Look what's going on here. We have sorrel for Christmas. Alright? Yes, I. Sorrel for Christmas, my people. See? Yeah, always pass on the street out there. And I always look across here and I say, whoa, nice patch of sorrel. Here I am. You know? So I have to say, give thanks to those farmers. Give thanks to all the farmers, you know, that give me that opportunity, because there's a lot of farm that I go on and I don't get the opportunity to do a video, you know what I mean? So I must say, give thanks to all the farmers who are doing farming and serious about it. Because there are some person try to farm but they don't look on the work to put in. They only looking at on the outcome of what is going, what the farm is gonna bring. No, you have to put in the work, you know, to succeed. Yes, my people, it's all about putting in the work to succeed. You know what I mean? Yeah. So when you put in the work, you see the success of the farm. Seeing. Only for love and respect to everyone, man. That's what I'm saying. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Seeing? And if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Yeah? And I'm gonna be out for now. So see you guys in the next video. And this is sorrel, the same sorrel that we use to make the sorrel beer. Alright? So to all my subscribers, all my hand subscribers, all my viewers, everyone, stick and stay, and enough blessings to the high them. See? I'm gonna be out. Alright? Peace.